everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to block someone on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open your Sweatcoin application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're signed into the account, from the main homepage, tap on the initial icon at the top left-hand corner. From your profile page, go ahead and select either the following tab or the followers tab from where you would like to find someone you would like to block. Also, you can use the search button and type in the name of the contact you'd like to block. If you want to find someone from the following list, select their name from the list and then tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner from their user profile. Now, click on block at the bottom and you have now blocked the contact. So that's how you can easily block someone on Sweatcoin. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.